Thank you so much to XP Pen for sponsoring this video. They've just released the Artist Pro 16, the first tablet of theirs to include the X3 Smart Chip. So I'm going to be unboxing it, trying it out, and also unboxing some of the other tablets in the XP Pen line. So to get this started off, let's open this puppy up. Right off the bat, I noticed that the design was very similar to the one that I was using before, which is the XP Pen Innovator. I've actually been using that one ever since they sent it to me for the last sponsored video I've done with XP Pen. So as you guys can kind of tell, I've been a fan of the XP Pen tablets for a while now. I really love this design with the buttons and the dial. The dial has kind of like a touch thing on the front, and then it has a zoom kind of wheel, and yeah, just lots of programmable buttons you can kind of do whatever you want with. Inside the box under the tablet, you get your standard kind of stuff. There's a little box that has some little goodies in it, like a smudge guard and also the warranty information, and there's a box with the cords, which are nicely bundled up so that they don't create too much of a cord mess. Like I said, here's the warranty card. Oh, it also comes with a little microfiber cloth, which is very nice. And then the pen is on this side. They actually have a new case for the pen. I hadn't seen this before. It's kind of cool. It's like a solid sort of metal material, and then on the inside you can see the new stylus. This stylus is actually a pretty big difference from the one I was using before. It's lighter. It has an eraser now, which was actually my biggest complaint about the original XP Pen stylus. They've changed that now, so they do have an eraser on this one. And it also has textured buttons on the side instead of smooth ones now. And yeah, the pen just kind of slides on the inside like that. And then over here you just have your traditional, like not charging block, but you know, your power block, and they also comes with all the different plugs that you could have around the world, which is nice, so you don't have to buy an adapter if you live you know, somewhere where you need special plugs. And yeah, so basically, like I said, it looks very similar, but in a darker color scheme to the Innovator. I was really happy about that because I do like this design. I did notice when I was switching them out, the Artist Pro 16 does have an upgraded feel to it. The build materials feel a little different, and the screen in particular feels a lot more durable. The screen is fully laminated now, and you can also tell a huge difference in the color quality and the pixel density of this display. It's definitely noticeable. The biggest difference for me, as for like actually how it feels to draw on, there is actually like no latency that I can detect with my eyes, and I've never experienced that with any of the drawing tablets that I've used in the past, and I've used like all of them. This little animation explains how the X3 Smart Chip works. This is a new technology that XP Pen is using for the first time with the Artist Pro 16. It turns the transmission of information from the stylus to the display from analog into digital. Digital data eliminates the need for a spring component in the stylus, which makes styluses basically wear out faster. It's also going to be a more dependable, less wobbly line because of the retraction distance, which has been reduced to 0.6 millimeters. And the X3 chip allows the stylus to be 10 times more sensitive. Honestly, as soon as I got this tablet in the mail, I started using it in place of my Innovator as my everyday streaming tablet, as well as to draw my comic. I did this whole page on the tablet, and I wanted to give you guys the sort of general gist of how it feels to draw on. So first of all, like I said, I'm already super used to the zoom wheel and those buttons, so I love that. That just felt like what I was already used to, and it's my favorite configuration, to be honest. I think that you need that amount of buttons, and I really love having a zoom wheel. It just feels very natural to me. And as for the actual drawing experience, like it just never gave me any trouble. Like it's incredibly crisp, clean sort of drawing experience, and I really enjoyed it. It's very natural. It just feels good. I really like how the screen actually feels to draw on. It's kind of in between like a glassy iPad surface and like one of those more textured drawing tablets. It hits kind of like right in the middle where I like it to be, where there's just a tiny bit of texture. And the X3 chip adding that sensitivity to the stylus is definitely noticeable. In the first batch of the Artist Pro 16s, it's possible that you could find a golden ticket inside of yours, which would allow you to get a full refund for how much you paid for the tablet, which would basically mean you got it for free. They're also doing a general anniversary sale for their 16th anniversary. So if you're in a bit of a budget situation, but you still want a new tablet, these Deco Fun tablets allow for people with various different budgets to try out a drawing tablet. I have said lots of good things about non-screen tablets because while I know screen tablets are definitely like a more luxurious tablet option, I have always loved non-screen tablets. I think that once you get used to them, they're very relaxing to draw on. And I like how XP Pen actually applies like really cool colors to the backs of some of these Deco Funs. In particular, the smaller sizes have some really amazing like colors on the back. I don't know, I find that very charming. The large size is just a traditional black tablet, but the extra small has this nice like sort of aqua color on the back. They all come with the stylus and the cords, of course. And I love that the small has this really bright, really striking red color. It's sort of like a red-orange. I don't know, it's nice to have some brightness with your art supplies sometimes. And if you're in the market for a screen tablet, but you like the touch experience, then they also have a version of the Artist Pro 16 that has a touch sort of capability. It's pretty amazing, and I could not love this box more. Like, look at how it opens up. It's so friggin' cool. It's the first XP Pen tablet to support 4K, which means that it's going to be an incredibly sharp display. And the touch capabilities work incredibly smoothly. They're very natural, and I feel like you could definitely use a lot of different gestures with it, which might speed up your workflow considerably. The sale is going on until September 16th, so make sure to do your tablet upgrading before then. Check the description for an exclusive promo code as well. And lastly, I am going to be holding a giveaway with XP Pen on my Instagram, where you will have a chance to win either the Deco Fun tablet or even the Artist Pro 16. So definitely check out the link in the description where you can get more information about that. I hope that this review was helpful for you guys, and thank you again to XP Pen for sending over all these tablets and letting me review them. Thank you so much to my beautiful patrons, including Tom the Chicken, It's Jamal, Kayla Grimes, Rodrigo, Neurocherry, Cully Halsey, Kubo, Moonmilk, Alana the Artist, Rylan Parker, Raylan, Kadaria, Something Super, Deadly Nightshade Art, Maria Vasquez, Astral Fox Art, Middle Z, Lily Alert, The Expressive Poker Face, Morrissey Axolotl, Chris Draws, Kai Kizer, Subaki, Liliana Hummintree, Michael Lavalley, Cutie Pie, Rainwater Pearls, Ice Cream Pal, Lion, Nora Cornelison, Cola, Your Boy ST, JJ Jade, and of course, blah 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 blah.